Dzień dobry for another episode of Mango Daddy Kitchen. Today we're gonna do rice, and it's gonna be a Maltese style with chicken and bacon. So it's gonna be ryż z piersią, z kurczaka I boczkiem po maltańsku. So rice with chicken and bacon. Let's start. The ingredients are all here. I made them ready. The onion and garlic chopped, chicken chopped, bacon cut in cubes, pomodori pelati, a tin of mushroom, a tin of sweet corn and peas, this chicken stock, rice, and olive oil, salt and pepper. I'll put the onions, and the garlic, put the bacon, time for the chicken, we add the rice and the tomato pelati and break them down, the whole tomatoes. One tablespoon tomato concentrate, and finally you add the chicken stock. Once it boils, put it to simmer and leave it for 15 minutes. Add the sweet corn and peas. While the rice is cooking, chop the basil. Once the water is all evaporated and absorbed by the rice, it's time to switch off. Add salt and pepper to taste. Parmesan cheese. And the chopped basil. Mix and let it rest for a few minutes. Some olive oil. That's the finished product. Thank you. See you in another episode. Please do subscribe and like my videos and shorts for the next time. Do zobaczenia.